Be happy, all motocross fans, because soon MAV TV will be no longer. And welcome to me from the future recording or voiceovering footage from the past, because, well, GoPro audio is, yeah, you understand that. But obviously, there has been very much said poor about MAV TV's broadcasting quality, issues with being able to sign on, and just nothing good about MAV TV's broadcasting or app, whatever. So moving forward, MAV TV has said, basically thrown in the towel and said, hey, by the way, everyone, we're not going to fix our things. We're just going to move everything over to a company or a new app called Flo Sports, which Flo Sports apparently is a thing that has been going on for a while now. Blah, 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 streaming service that features 2,000 plus live racing events annually, combined with deep editorial coverage of the sport. I'm reading this from from a news release, if you didn't guess. But in the comments below, because I like all of my viewers, I very much appreciate you. There is, in the comments below, I'm going to have the link to a discount, whatever you want to call it, something like that. It's a little, I don't know what you want to call it. Redeem now. Quote, it says, Flo Sports is currently offering MAV TV Plus subscribers who do not already have a Flo Racing account a special limited time discounted rate of $6.99 a month. When you sign up for Flo Racing, you can redeem this offer with the following link. Blah, blah, blah. So in the comments below, go click on that link if you're gonna switch over to Flo Racing or whatever it's called, Flo Racing, Flo Sports, whatever. If you're gonna switch over there and watch the motocross or watch whatever other sports they broadcast, click the link, save yourself some money. I don't know how much the actual account is because this doesn't affect me. I just record the races. I work most of the weekends anyway, so I just record races and I watch them later. So I don't have any of the problems with the app closing or not being able to sign in or anything like that. But obviously, this is kind of sad for MAV TV. You know, this year looked like it was going to be good for them, being the sole broadcaster of motorsport or motocross, doing the whole, you're not going from Fox to MAV TV. They had both races. They were going to broadcast it themselves, but nothing good has come from this. Everything I've seen has been negative, and obviously I'm recording this. Well, not obviously, but as I'm speaking, I'm recording this on a Saturday. So Redbud has just happened, and all I saw all day long was about people having multiple glitches, not being able to watch the races, the quality being bad, not being able to sign in. Again, all problems that have been concurrent or been complained about for the last, what are we now, 7 rounds? I don't even know. Enough rounds that this should be fixed, but apparently MAV TV has just said, screw it, we're not going to fix it, we're not going to try, we're just going to close our thing. Everybody that wants to watch it, they can go watch it on these other people who are already established and doing this, and we're just going to say, screw it, we're not going to fix it. So honestly, I don't know how the whole subscription, non-subscription things, it says something about if your subscription expires before the 27th of July, it won't auto-renew, but I don't know how people's, I'm not getting into the money side of things. If you have a subscription with them, you have to figure that out. But again, in the comments below, go down, click that link for the redeem stuff. Hopefully it can save you some money if you are switching over. And if you don't know about it, obviously, this might be helpful for you. But tell me in the comments below, do you watch the races on TV? Obviously, do you go watch them? And if so, which one are you going to go to? I will personally be at Southwick the 9th next Saturday, or whenever you watch this, July 9th, and I'm going to that one. But if you're like me, do you watch them on TV, just record them, and have you had any issues, or again, have you watched them on the app or the Plus thing, whatever, and had problems like most people? But whatever it is, tell me in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do. And I will see you all later. Peace.